Hey everybody, welcome back to the Pilot Ryan Media YouTube channel. Bobby Committa on the camera. We've got the brand new version 2 Dehavilland Beaver from FMS. 2,000 millimeter wingspan. My goodness, it assembles so very easily. There's just some hard point connectors here, plastic bits, screws. These antennae are like circular and you thread the spar in through there, so you can easily get these out of the way if you wanted to service it. Notice the clear windows and the humongous battery hatch and detail here. There's some seats back in there. I've got an old school 5000 almost all the way forward. We're getting ready to do the Maiden Flight, and it's like 90-degree cross, no kidding. But we want to get this Maiden Flight up and then keep flying. We got lots to do. But guys, yeah, metric screws that you're used to seeing for all the assembly. Nice clear glass, and then some keeper pins right here. And you really only have to glue on some minimal things. Very, very minimal. It's all bolt together assembly, 2,000 millimeters. Let's take it up, man. Ball links. I'm in high rate for the taxi. And I did a little bit of down elevator with the flaps. Just because I'm pretty confident that this thing is gonna pitch up when you drop the flaps. All right. Maiden flight of this thing, guys. So let's see. We are gonna go. We're gonna go low rate, and then I'm gonna stick around for the end of the video to see the rates. My dual rate and expo. I'm gonna show you that, but you got to stick around to the end, and then you got to promise me when it's over, you're gonna watch another video. All right. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm gonna talk through this crosswind situation. Wind is coming from the south. I need to keep my right wing down, aileron, and then I'm gonna have to give it some left rudder to keep from weather vaning in, and let's see what we can do. I'm in low rate, so actually, man, I'm going for high rate. I want all the authority I might need. You ready?
Oh yeah.
Let's do it. Paint the tail a little bit. Nice, it got light in the tail right away. Now look at it weather vane. And I'm gonna turn around. We're gonna get, make sure we get a good camera on this thing. No stabilization, no anything. Big heavy pack in the front, windy day. Oh my goodness, look how solid it is. So this thing will even pep up a lot more. Look at all that throw in the rudder. Sorry about the sun. It ought to be exposing for you though.
Oh yeah, we're good.
Let's go another slow pass. We are shaking it down on the Maiden. I'm gonna flip 1 degree of flaps, and look, it pitched up a little bit even though I got some down mix. Full flaps, and I like it. It's settling in real nice. Nose into the wind. Look at that slowness. Lose the flaps. Get out of the sun a little bit. Now, if you're going to go crazy, you can go with like 100% throws. I went with the book call outs, and so I tamed them down a lot. I could probably totally knife edge this thing in low rate. So fun. Guys, it's a bush plane and the tires are big enough. Grass will be no problem for you guys. And oh my word, let's play in that a little bit. So I'm gonna set up. I am gonna nose into the wind for my slow flight here. I'm getting ready to do. And I am on an old battery, so I am gonna try to keep it to rudder around here. Full flaps, 2-second deployment. Again, I'll show you my down mix in a minute. Boy, this wants to float. It's flying. That's all right. That's what you get with the dead stick. You can fly planes slower than they'll glide. And it calmed down too. I was hoping for this wind to slow it down for me. Short and sweet. Now we're gonna get lined up. This is not much of a run, and this is grass. This is my full flaps. I expect the nose to come up pretty quick, actually. Oh, it sure did. Let's go get that hawk. Hey. Now let's see what I've got. I set it for 5 minutes. Maiden Flight, feeling pretty good. I can't wait for a calm day. But let's shoot a regular approach and talk about it. Go for a touch and go, and then we'll put it down. So it's sinking really good, no flaps. Which is nice for keeping the speed up. A lot of left rudder and right aileron. Is what it takes. Now that was no flaps. I'm not surprised. I'm right there in the middle of too slow and no lift. We're gonna go flaps and do it again. Let's go full flaps even. Cheating a little bit here. A lot of aileron work, keeping it level on the ground. We're gonna land cross. And I'm in high rate because I want to be able to horse this thing around and put it where I want it, because it is not nice out. Obviously, most of you aren't gonna fly in this kind of nasty stuff. All right.
Good call.
I could have took it, but I'm too close to that other stuff. I got a lot of throw. You can see, I mean, I'm really able to put it, slam it around. It's getting pushed down big time there. Guys, I don't know if you can see that windsock and it be in focus, but it's not very nice out. All right, taxi back in the grass. This thing is tough enough to take it. Can you see the elevator and the flaps, Bobby?
Oh yeah.
So here's what the mix looks like, and it's going to be slow. That's full. That's half. And there's none. I liked it. I wouldn't want to fly it on any lighter weight packs in this kind of weather. Although I do know it was kind of nose heavy, but probably saved the plane too. All right, guys, stay tuned for more. Let's show you what the settings are. Here's the settings on the radio for the Beaver. 100% high rate on aileron. Low rate 60%, 25% expo. We're gonna go to elevator, same thing, 100%, 50% elevator throw, 25% expo. Rudder, 100%, 60%. So basically 100 high, 60 low, except for elevator, which is at 50. That's it. 25% expo all around. So let's, everybody wants to see what the cells say, right? So that was, you're in auto now, you can do whatever you want, Bobby. I love how this plane is. I'm gonna take the battery out. This is an old pack too. Really makes a difference. But for shaking them down on a Maiden, I wasn't even sure I was gonna get a camera on this one. And I wasn't flying it hard. 387s, some are 3.9, 387, 3.9, 389, 391. That's 61% for those of you who want to know the percentage. Yeah, I mean, I could go around a few more times, but you know, safe to say 5 minutes on a Maiden. All right, guys, check out the end screen. You guys want to see how to calibrate the ESC on this one? Probably make a little video for that. What you have to do to calibrate the ESC is be smart. Normally your prop would be off, but we're not doing that. So can you see the radio? Right? Bobby?
Oh yeah.
All right, so the radio's on. Throttle's all the way up. Now when I plug this in, we're gonna hear a couple beeps and slam it down. Then it's gonna do the battery cell count and do its little song, and we know we've calibrated the ESC properly. And that's how it works on a lot of brands, and especially these FMS. Simple as that. That's how you calibrate an ESC. All right, man.